Hello everyone, I am Rahul Lekhwani, a chartered accountant with over a decade of experience in finance. In this video, we are going to discuss about the data analytics mastery course and how it can help you transition your career from non-IT to IT domain with the help of data analytics. But before that, I want to share my story of transitioning from a non-IT background to a rewarding career in IT domain. Now, you might be wondering what a CA is doing in data analytics, which is a prerogative of IT professionals. Well, having worked as a chartered accountant for more than 10 years, I had a deep understanding of financial operations and business strategies. But in 2020, I decided to take a leap into the IT world. Why? Because I saw the immense potential of technology in revolutionizing businesses and promoting data driven decision making. With right skills and support, I successfully transitioned into data analytics role. Not only did I achieve 50% salary hike, but I also secured a prestigious designation in a reputed company. If you're thinking about a career change, remember it's easier than you think with right mindset, skills, and mentors. And therefore, we have developed our data analytics mastery course. This course is designed to teach you everything you need to know about data analytics from the basics of to advanced techniques. It's incredibly practical and student friendly with hands on projects and real world examples that make learning easy and engaging. Now, without a further ado, let us understand what is the course curriculum and what are the topics that are covered under this course. So this is our data analytics mastery course. Before discussing anything about the curriculum, let us understand why should you learn data analytics. As I said in my introduction, there is a huge demand of data analytics profession and there are not many people in the market who can satiate the demand of the industry. So it is very important to learn data analytics in order to excel in your career. Then attractive salaries. On an average, a data analyst's initial package goes somewhere near 10 to 12 lakhs and it can go to many folds depending upon your capabilities. Then data analytics is not something which is industry specific. It is diverse. There are many industries and I think I cannot imagine an industry which is not using data analytics, be it banking, retail, manufacturing, trading, service, you name it, and everywhere you would find the use of data analytics. Now, the best part is there is no IT background required, there's no coding background that is required to learn data analytics. Simple to learn and master. The very, very important reason why actually I pivot to this data analytics course is because it was easy, simple to learn, and there was no coding involved at all. Then it helps you build technical and analytical skills, which are very, very important in today's work environment. Now, future proof expertise. Of course, data is going to grow over the period of time, and that will help us be protected in terms of the profile. So, data analytics profile is going to stay for a longer period of time, and it is going to be more relevant in the days to come. Now, let us see what is the curriculum that is there in this entire course. First is advanced Excel. So, as far as analytics is concerned, the first and the foremost thing is to be expert in MS Excel, and that is one of the reasons why we have actually included this course into it. So here you will be able to learn overview of the Excel workbook, worksheet, option and settings, working with functions, that is advanced functions, cell reference, name range in formulas, formulas across multiple worksheets. That will help you actually automate your work at workplace. Then all the advanced functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, concatenate, transpose. Then text manipulation function, date functions, which are very, very important, conditional formatting, working with data, how you transform the data, how you make the data easily accessible, working with external database, if there are any external database, how to work with them, how to create charts in Excel, tables in Excel, collaboration, how to collaborate with multiple people, then auditing the workbook, how to actually understand the error checking and how to do the error checking is what we are going to cover, pivot tables, merging, add-ins and templates. So all the advanced tools and techniques related to MS Excel will be covered under this course. Then comes the very important course, that is Power BI. So in Power BI, it would be right from the scratch. And as I said, there is no coding required at all. So you can learn Power BI right from the scratch under this course. So what all the things that are covered? Then overview of the Power BI, data visualization and reporting, BI concepts, then cloud-based on-premises BI, okay, Power BI products, desktop, server, service, mobile app, Power BI architecture, workflow. So these are the introductions of Power BI. And then we will dive into the hands-on training. So as I said, everything will be hands-on. There would not be any textbook kind of a lectures that you will be getting. You will be getting complete hands-on, industry specific case studies. And on the basis of that case studies only, we will be able to teach you how to create Power BI dashboards. Okay. So installation of dashboard, then visualization, user interface, Power Query, data import transformation, Power Pivot, data visualization, saving and publishing your report, logging into Power BI service, how to use Power BI service to its full potential. Then Power Query, okay, introduction to Power Query, data transformation benefits, user interface, data types and filters, inbuilt column and row transformations, combine queries, append queries as it is the need of the hour and it is very much used. So append and merge are very very important options. Then query management. Then we'll go into an advanced level where we are going to learn data modeling, relationships, then how to manage the relationships, DAX, calculated columns, measures, okay, DAX syntax, date and time function, text function, mathematical and statistical functions, filter, time intelligence. These are the advanced tools and techniques that you are going to learn under this course. Then comes Power View. Under Power View, what are the user interface that are there? What are the filters that are there? Okay, how to do the grouping, how to do the drill down reports, how to use the visualization to its fullest. Those things will be covered. Then Power BI service also we are going to cover in detail. How to collaborate, how to publish your reports. Okay, how to work with data sets and workbooks, collaborating with workspace, how to create workspace so that you can share your data with multiple people in the organization. Then data gateways, how to do scheduled refresh, how to do manual refresh. Okay, how to create gateways is what we are going to cover. Then the most important function of Power BI, that is row level securities. We are going to understand how to create these securities so that we can actually collaborate and we can give this reports to various stakeholders in the organization. So these are the all topics that we are going to cover under Power BI. Then comes SQL. Again, guys, a very, very important skill that one should know in terms of data analytics, that is SQL. So in Power BI, we visualize the data and we transform the data. But in SQL, we try to extract the data. This is the first point of data management. So what are data types? What is primary key, secondary key, creating databases, creating tables, insert data, update statement, delete, alter, drop, all these options we are going to learn in detail. What are the fundamentals of SQL? what is select statement, distinct, where statement, and or operators, in operators like operator, and order by statement and limits. Then all the aggregate functions, max, min, count, len, understanding data levels. What are the various data levels that we see in SQL? Then how to group by, having function, sequence. Then the most important part, that is joins. How to understand, how to do inner joins, full outer joins, left join, right join, union, and then we'll go into the advanced SQL statement, that is timestamp, extract function, and string function. So these are the functions that we are going to learn under SQL. Now comes Agile. Agile, guys, again, a very, very important concept which helps us bridge the gap between the requirement of the stakeholders and the developers. So you act as a data analyst who understands the requirement and tries to make the IT people understand what is the requirement and work with them in order to ensure smooth software creations or smooth, Power BI dashboard creations, right? So, what is sprint planning and backlog management? How to actually transition from normal Excel sheet database to Power BI management. So that comes under sprint planning and backlog management. Then daily stand-ups and progress tracking, how to track the progress of the project. So when we talk about transitioning from Excel to Power BI, it actually requires a lot of steps and it requires a considerable amount of time also. So how, and it is considered as a project. So how to understand what is the status of the project is what we are going to learn under this topic. Then how to review our work. Okay. So these agile techniques, what do they do? They make us understand what is the step by step process that we need to do in order to implement Power BI or any such kind of data visualization tools in our organization. Then the most important part and the word which is in vogue today is ChatGPT. How we are going to use ChatGPT for data analytics. Guys, as I told you that there is no coding required, it has become very easy. And with ChatGPT into the picture, even this skill, getting this skill has become more easier because now we can actually do some query management with the help of ChatGPT skills. We can ask ChatGPT to give us certain suggestions, or if we are stuck with something, some formula, some technique, we can very well use ChatGPT. So under this course, we are going to help you understand what are the various capabilities that ChatGPT has, which can be used for data analytics. And trust me on this, this is one of a kind package that we are offering, which you might not find in the market. So understanding the basics of ChatGPT, how it can be used for Excel, Python, SQL, Power BI workflows. Okay, how to integrate also. There are various features through which we can integrate also with ChatGPT. So how to increase Excel workflows, Python programming. Okay, ChatGPT has a capability of running the codes also. Okay, so you can get the help from ChatGPT in case if you are stuck with one or the other kind of technicalities. So as you can see, we can use it for Python, SQL, Excel, dashboards. Okay, we can use it for almost every kind of a data analytics work. But many of you might be wondering, if ChatGPT can do everything, then what is the need of us to do all these above courses? Well, ChatGPT can help you to a level where you understand the basics and at least you understand the intermediate level of all these tools. Until and unless you understand that, you won't be able to write your query itself in ChatGPT. So that is one of the reason. Once we will go through all the other modules, then we'll come to ChatGPT, which can help us, boost or which can help us increase the efficiency of our work. So this was all about ChatGPT. Then comes Python. Python, again, a very, very important language which should be, should be learned by a data analytics. So, introduction of Power BI, installation, variable constant identifier, operators, loops. What are the fundamentals? What are the various list, tuple, dictionary, sets, range, function, scope, file handling, exception handling, NumPy, and pandas? So all these modules also, we are going to teach you how to use these modules in under Python. And last but not the least, Tableau. So now many of you might be thinking, when we are learning Power BI, what is the need of Tableau? Well, Tableau is also a data visualization tool. But when you go to work in an organization, you don't know whether that organization has Power BI or Tableau. So the top most used tools in data visualization are Power BI and Tableau. So it is always important to learn about both the data visualization tool, so that you should not be dependent on a single tool, because you don't know your organization uses Power BI or Tableau, but it might, your organization might be using any one of them. So it is always beneficial to learn Tableau as well. Again, Tableau is based on the same kind of a concepts. And if you compare Tableau and Power BI, Tableau is much, much more easier to learn because it is more user friendly. But when we talk about the functionalities, Power BI has more functionalities, which helps us do a lot of data transformation. So, introduction to Tableau, understanding Tableau interface, okay, how to connect the data source, how to transform the data, prepare the data in Tableau, then basic visualization, how to create visualizations under this. Then how to create filters, create parameters, building interactive dashboard, creating story, advanced visualization techniques, calculated fields and table, how to create in Tableau also. Then sharing and publishing, how to publish our report, what are the best practices and what are the tips and tricks which can help you create visualization in a matter of minutes. Now, these were the whole courses that we cover under this single course. Now, if you go into the market, you would not find such a variety of different modules in a single course. But here, this has been designed to actually meet the requirement of the industry. Now, our job is not limited to teaching you all the courses and the modules in the curriculum. Our job is to give you support for your career advancement. So for that, we are going to create capstone projects. Real life projects will be given to you. We are going to teach you how to appear on the in the interviews. What are the interview skills that are required? What is the resume building that we need to do? What is the Instagram optimization that we need to do? What are the interview questions that are asked? So we will be having mock interview as well. And there would be complete job assistance and hand holding. So once you enroll for this course, you become responsibility of ours to make you job ready and to get you the most lucrative job offers in the industry. So these were the various modules that are covered under this data analytics mastery course. I hope you might have been able to understand what is the coverage, and you will be in a good position to take your decision whether you need to go for this course or not. But trust me on this, once you get into this journey, life will not be the same once you complete this course. You will be equipped with a lot of techniques that are quite relevant in the industry and that are the need of the hour. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. And if you have any further queries, please reach out to our team. We will be happy to assist you. Till then, thank you very much for attending this video, and I'll see you around. Thank you so much.